Who would you consult to treat a fear of crowded places? A philosopher or a psychologist?
Psychologist.
Psychologist.
You must say as soon as the blue bar moves, and the correct answer is psychologist. Next, please answer all of you.
How would most people travel to work each day in big cities like Hong Kong, Tokyo, and New York?
Public transport.
Public transport.
Public transport.
Would a supermarket, a cafe, or a bookstore probably have the widest range of products available?
Supermarket.
Supermarket, but please say only after the blue bar moves, not before that. Otherwise, it's a false start, remember, and then do next immediately.
Despite all the advances in equality between the sexes, would more men or women play professional football?
Yes.
Yes.
Men.
Despite the advances, who would play football more, men or women? Men. The answer is men.
Which major branch of science deals with classification of living things?
Biology.
Biology.
Biology. Something, correct. Right.
In most university courses, there are two ways of being assessed. One is orally, the other is through...
Written.
Writing.
I don't know.
Yeah, one is orally, the other is written. There are two ways to evaluate people. One is oral and the other is written. Okay, try the next one.
Name a month that falls between September and November.
October.
Would a town, a village, or a city probably cover the largest area?
City.
City.
Largest area, city, right? City. Try to speak with an active voice.
Which of these would probably be found in most homes around the world? A computer, a bed, or a television?
A bed.
A bed. A bed.
Bed. There is no need to say just say the main word, bed.
Bed.
Yep.
What does the main difference between a wristwatch and a clock relate to?
Time.
Size, right? Size, the size, yeah. Okay, so basically all of these were real exam questions. Now, as I said, even if you don't know the answer, don't keep your mouth shut. You have to give an answer. Now, sometimes the questions are very silly, like very stupid questions. For example, the color green is used for what? Now, there is no specific answer, There can be many answers, like green is used for a lot of things, So, even this is a real test question, and as per PT, the correct answer is environment or nature, greenery, nature, environment. So, there are many such questions. For example, which color do you get when you mix red with white?
Pink.
The answer is pink. Then a sundial is used to measure what?
Time.
Time. Time is the answer. Time. If you don't know, just say sun, or don't just say I don't know. Then what do you call the performance of actors in the background in a play?
Props.
The question was, what do you call the performance of actors in the background in a play?
I don't know.
It's called encore.
Encore.
Yeah, it is spelled as ENCORE, but it's pronounced as encore. Then, what do you call a male sheep? Arey yaar, if you don't know, just say I don't know. Okay, don't keep your mouth shut. So, it's called ram, R-A-M, ram.
That's pretty difficult.
Sorry?
That's pretty difficult.
I know. So that's a problem with this task. Now, see, the good thing is that out of approximately 10 questions in this task, if you make 1 or 2 mistakes, if you give 1 or maximum 2 wrong answers, it's okay. It's fine. You will still get full marks in listening and speaking both. The problem is that if you give a 3rd wrong answer, then there is a penalty, mainly on the listening score. The listening score goes down a lot. Even the speaking score goes down a bit. So 2 mistakes the software will allow. More than 2, it is going to be a problem. So don't take this task lightly. That's what I'm trying to say. And for this task, the good thing is that a lot of questions are repeated. So as usual, your first priority should be to finish the latest prediction file, and your second priority should be to go through all the questions which I have given in the Google Drive in the speaking folder of answer short questions.